So let's move on to planning ideas. Again, there's not a lot of people talking about this in the marketplace except for you. Why is that?
That's because they don't know how to charge for it, or even more, they don't know how to deliver it. They don't know enough about the tax, the legal, and whatever other aspects, investments, interest rates that go into creating an overall financial plan for someone. So either one, they don't know how to do it.
Doesn't it really come down to they don't get paid?
Well, that's the other. It's not that they don't get paid so much as they don't know how to charge for it.
Okay.
So for 12 years, I did tax, estate, business continuity planning for my business owner clients. I typically charge them a modest fee, $5,000 or so in advance, to take them through all of their discovery questions to get them clear on their goals and objectives, help them understand all their options so that they make good decisions, and then implement a written plan in case the worst happens, and then help them acquire and manage the insurance to tie it all up with a bow.
And that's what you do now.
I don't do that anymore.
You don't?
It's too hard.
What do you mean by that?
It's too hard because it's not that hard to get the clients to hire me. They'll write people would write, the business owners especially, will write you a check to solve this problem for them all day, every day. They don't want to put in the work that it takes to get it done.
Right.
They don't have the time. It's not urgent. Now, maybe with 2020 hindsight, they'll put a little more sense of urgency on that and get it done. But I've decided to take a different approach. So rather than charge people planning fees, which I thought was modest, $5,000 or so, I've decided to create learning videos where I've captured all my knowledge and wisdom and put them here on the website and give it away for free, including downloading all my checklists, my sample plans, my workbooks, everything you need to know. The only thing you probably do need to do is hire an organizational expert who can document it for you, who can take all your answers to all these questions and put it into a written contingency plan for you. So I've found out that I can transfer my knowledge and wisdom about business continuity planning, even estate planning, even how to lock your key employees in. Life insurance is going to solve the problem. Someone's going to sell the insurance for that. So I figured I'll just give away all the knowledge and wisdom, checklists, workbooks that I can.
Yep.
They can learn it at their own pace. And then come to me to get the insurance because I'm going to do a good job for you.
But I think that the key that I'm trying to say is that having various life insurance product solutions helps you with your business continuity.
Absolutely. And that's why you can't go on one of the quote engines online and get the right policy for a business continuity. Advising the business owner, entrepreneur on how to structure these legal agreements. If you make a mistake, it can cost hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of dollars with estate taxes, with ERISA requirements. There's just a lot of complexity out there.
And I know that you try to make it simple, and when you do, you say it really allows you to protect your assets in ways that other products don't.
You can screw it up pretty easily. Now, if you have a good lawyer, I say we're going to work with this lawyer or that lawyer because they're going to think of things that I don't think of.
Right.
But I'm raising these issues because you wouldn't have known to go to the lawyer to ask about it anyway.
Right. You wouldn't have known the question to ask the lawyer.
Right. And, the attorneys are kind of like computers. They do what you tell them and not always what you mean.
Right.
They're very technical and they're very accurate. And they might not ask you three different questions to make sure they might not ask you the same question three different ways to make sure that they understand you.
Right.
So I'm doing it all by giving it away on the website here. My book is here for download. We're coming out with a second edition for 2020 Vision here in the next few weeks. And hopefully, I'm just trying to establish myself as a credible resource that I know, it takes a special combination of talent, questions, communication, systems and processes, as well as knowing something about taxes, about estate planning, about the legal, about the M&A, about the finance to advise an entrepreneur correctly.
That's right.